Day 11 of Vlogmas. I'm going to take you on what I eat in the day today and also a tour of downtown Cleveland. We're going downtown tonight and I'm going to take you to see the lights and take you to see what I eat on a buffet. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day on the WW Personal Points Plan at a buffet and viewing downtown Cleveland, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is Vlogmas Day 11. I'm going to take you along on what I eat in the day, which is probably going to be a lot because I'm going to a buffet at the casino downtown tonight. So if you'd like to come along and share the day with me, let's get started. This morning I'm having a banana for breakfast, a mini bagel with light cream cheese, and then I sprinkled some everything but the bagel seasoning on it, and a holiday iced coffee. My version of it, so that is 2 points for the iced coffee, 3 points for the bagel, 1 point for the cream cheese. So that's my breakfast today. So I didn't eat any lunch today, so we're just going to be off to an early start to the casino. Going to the casino tonight. It's Friday night. Gonna see if we can win some money, get a free grocery card, and hopefully get lucky. We're also going to the buffet. It's a seafood buffet. I'm going to try to my best to be good, to eat healthy, but it might be a tough night for that. Road to the buffet. Wish me luck. So I had a free coupon for a free buffet. It's normally $36, I think. So there's 6 of us that are going to be here. I really shouldn't even torture myself like this. Rows and rows of food. I took some shrimp, a crab cake, and of course some clams. I love clams. I don't know. I'm trying to be good. I'm just going to taste everything. Also had some steak and salad. And here's the desserts. They always make it look so nice, Christmas decorated. And there's a bunch of different pastries. But guess what? I didn't have one. And there's donuts. I love donuts. I tried to track as best as I could at about 26 points. This is Tower City underneath the Terminal Tower in Cleveland, Ohio. It's an exercise in tonight amongst the Christmas lights. Beautiful way to walk. Downtown Cleveland.
You should do that one with no, it's just orange ball.
Somebody got engaged tonight. Will you marry me? Jack Casino was built in the old Higby Company, downtown Cleveland. It's the site of where the movie The Christmas Story was filmed. And I used to ride these escalators with my mom when I was a little girl up and down the escalators shopping at Higbee's. So that's going to be the end of my Vlogmas Day 11. I hope you enjoyed the tour of downtown Cleveland and what I ate on the buffet. I ate way more points than I normally do, but every day is a new start. So there's always tomorrow to start over. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.